Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best different types of table saws and uses that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Benchtop Table Saw. The Benchtop Table Saw is assembled in the bench or smaller space. This table saw has little weight, and the cost of it is not as high as the other table saw. It also can be called a portable tool because for its lightweight it can be carried easily. The blade is on the top, and there is an electric motor to operate the business smoothly. It can cut accurately based on the measurement. In general, we find that it can have a clean and straight cut. According to its price and size, it can have a limited capacity of cutting. To cut anything soft and small like particle board, a benchtop will be your best choice to use for it. Moving on at number 4, we have the hybrid table saw. The hybrid table saw has some key features which are brought with it than you couldn't find any other competitor of the market. Very often we find hybrid table saws are the best saw of the business dealings and combination of contractor saw and a cabinet saw. To improve the dust condition, it included features from the contractor saw at a cheap price from the manufacturers. In the market, we see that there are two types of hybrid tune-ups such as cabinet-mounted tune-up and another is table-mounted tune-up. It also can be an excellent choice for woodworkers. At number 3, we have the Contractor Table Saw. The Contractor Table Saw can do the large, heavy, and complex tasks to compete with other table saws based on the stand or wheels. A contractor table saw has the blade on the back and facility to collect the dust. It is often said that the contractor table saw to facilitate the surface ready for the work. A larger table area and the blade have not only strong but also challenging. Mainly we can find this table saw in the market with some key features like a powerful working capacity and a big motor belt. This saw is very much robust and functional for its persuading activities. According to customers, it's a great feature as the possibility of cutting the woodwork within a short time. At number 2, we have the Cabinet Table Saw. Cabinet table saw consists of huge iron, metal and steel to do its work. It works to minimizing vibration while it's doing its cutting works. To improves the cabinet table saw is the provider of a bulk amount of services to do so. Continuing with work is so simple but time-consuming it. It is called Mac Daddy sometimes, and the interesting fact is that it is called cabinet because its body has a cabinet like that's why this name is given to it. This type of saw's open can cut up to 500 pounds, and it's no wonder because this table saw full-bodied and outlining. It can cut almost anything such as hazelwood and dense timber etc. And finally at number 1, we have the sliding table saw. The sliding table saw is often known as a European table saw. We know that the sliding table saw is used for the huge board and slip belongings. In a saw, we find a slide on the behind of the blade which remains folded under the table of the saw. In most cases, it uses a few layers of induction in the motor for which it can have the capacity to do a large scale of the job. So, it is quite expensive than any other table saws what we find in this article. It also has a slide to pass out the cut materials to another away. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.